if you have a shader and if you want to convert it into a liner machine, you've got two options. Usually what you need to do is you need to have one separate shader and another separate machine for a liner. What you can do is you can take a shader and convert it into a liner. I'll show you both the methods how to convert a shader to a liner. So the first method is you need to, right now I'll just run it and show. Right now it's a shader. To convert it from a shader to a liner, what you need to do is take this and just make it loose, bring it down, so this works only if you have this kind of a gap in your frame. So you need to shift the position from top to bottom. So initially when it was a shader, the contact screw position was over here, and now I've brought it down, it's over here. So what happens is, even the position from the top of the spring, the contact screw has moved from this position to this position. Now we have got a liner. So from a liner, if you want to convert it to a shader, again you need to do the same thing. Loosen this, slide it back and tighten it. Adjust the contact screw, the gap, and you've got a shader. The second method is very simple. You need to have another armature bar with a liner spring. Take off this armature bar screw, take off the armature bar from a shader spring, switch it with a liner spring, adjust the contact screw position, and you end up with a liner.